I'm Tony Sklar with BNet TV. We are here at the M Health Summit in Washington, D.C. for 2012. I am speaking with Clever Caps, Mr. Moses Zonana. How are you today, sir?
Very good, thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much for coming on the show. And
Thank you for having me.
well, that's what we do. So, for all the people out there in BNet TV land, why don't you give us a brief overview of Clever Cap and exactly what we're looking at?
Sure, so what we developed with the Clever Cap is a cap that appends to a regular pill vial as they are dispensed in the U.S. healthcare system on retail or mail order facilities. And the cap replaces the standard cap, so you can think of this cap as storing your prescription regimen information. So rather than just having a printed label on when you're supposed to take your medications, the information is programmed at dispensing time on a microchip that resides in this cap, which tells the cap when should it flash or vibrate, tell you how many pills you need to take, when should you take them, and it has specialized activity sensors that record every time you take a pill out. If you forget, it sends a notification either to you or to your support system in your family or your clinician or even for refills support.
So clearly it would be great for families to make sure that your kids aren't getting into your cabinet and taking, kids do that, right? They just, they do. So that's, and obviously the reminder regiments are perfect for a particular population. So is this product available today?
It's actually, we're in the commercial stage.
Okay.
We took a number of years on research and development, and to your point on child safety, what we did here is make a mechanism where this cannot be opened, so you only get the proper number of pills at the allotted time windows. So not only for child safety, but it also helps for control and abuse in some therapeutic areas like pain relievers, extended release opioids, psychotropics. There are a lot of medications that are very potent that are getting to gray markets, so there's a need for some control. So this only dispenses the proper dose. You cannot take more than you're supposed to.
How long did it take to develop? Did you need FDA approval, or
no? It falls into the NXQ category, so it didn't really require one, like extensive FDA process. Yeah, but it's taken 2 years to actually engineer the mechanical and electrical aspects, software aspects, reporting, and all that.
Does it only work with a particular hub, or will it work within other platforms?
We have it enabled for Wi-Fi, and we are working with a Qualcomm TuneIt, Qualcomm Live TuneIt hub to transmit information securely. So we forged a partnership with them.
So, so my two last questions for you then are going to be, one, when's it going to be available, and how do you reach critical mass? What's the scale of it?
I guess our go-to-market is primarily enterprise, business to business. It's a strategy that depends on the therapeutic class of interest. We're kind of approaching some of the cardiovascular diseases, some of the HIV therapies, hepatitis C, and some different therapies will require a different go-to-market strategy. So we're talking with at-risk insurance companies, we're talking with pharma companies, and I think as we get the endorsement of some of those, this will reach critical mass. So it's actually, it's available. We're just in the process of recruiting partners and identifying the right people to talk to.
As our viewers know, I always have one last question. So
I might be able to flash it. You want it to flash it?
Yeah, absolutely, for sure.
So when it's time to take your pill, this starts to flash like I just showed, with a blue light, and it vibrates and it starts to kind of beep.
So I always have one last question here. Who programs the cap?
The pharmacist.
Okay, so then in that case, couldn't it be sold through somebody like a Walgreens?
It could, but
from the pharmacy, if they were like, would you like a Clever Cap? And you would say, yeah, that would be great, and they would program it for you, and then there
absolutely, it could. And we're actually in discussions with a number of retail networks to to enable their dispensing facility for
And I'm
programming.
just assuming that they would have their branding on it, and it would just be, and you would sell as a B2B model through that.
I mean, we're open for those type of arrangements, always
I'm
powered
doing
by
the deal here
Clevercat.
for you, so if
Yeah.
you're a Walgreens guy, this is here. There you go. All right, listen, Moses, thank you so much for taking the opportunity
Thank
to
you
speak
for
with us on
having
the
me.
show.
Thank you.
I hope we get an update. Congratulations, good timing, great market space. I hope I give you all the success in the world. I've been speaking with Clevercap's Moses Nanana here at the M Health Summit in Washington. I'm Tony Sklar with BNet TV.